Too, and I'm going to show you a card trick today. Alright, I'm just going to have my assistant just tell me when to stop. Any card.
Stop!
This one? Okay. Assistant, here's your card. Got it? Okay, just going to put that on the bottom of the deck. Now, I show you could have picked just about any card you wanted. Alright, but you picked the King of Diamonds. So now we're going to just make the King of Diamonds multiply, just like that.
Oh my god, the dog is eating something.